All right, so this is coming. What I'm talking to you about today. I got a call from a local gold and silver salesman. He said they had a line of people ready to buy silver. This whole week it's been really busy, and he was talking to me. He was like, after this whole Reddit fiasco thing went down, they just saw their sales spike. So I wanted to know, like, why is this? Is that coming? Is that stemming off of what happened earlier, like last week into this week? What's going on with that?
Yeah, I would think that it had a little to do with that. Here recently, a phenomenon happened, a short squeeze. Short squeeze happened all the time, which means that these targeted companies that have big short interest in them, Reddit traders or Reddit readers, the Wall Street forum guys, Wall Street bets, I guess it is, they were targeting companies that had big short interest, meaning if there's 1 million shares to be traded out there, half of them are shorted, which means you think the stock's going to go down. Well, and it's Wall Street bets. And so it's been speculated that on that same forum, that the Reddit traders, the Wall Street bet crowd, they were talking about short squeezing another ETF or another company, but it's not a company, it's silver. Silver trades like a stock through an ETF, an exchange traded fund called, it's SLV is the symbol. You can buy it like a stock. Sorry, I'm on a 23. You just interrupted my media. I couldn't put it on do not disturb in time. I'll try right back. I always put it on do not disturb. I'm sorry.
Nah, you're good. You're good.
All right, should I start over?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. So silver can trade, it does trade like a stock. It's through an exchange traded fund. SLV is the symbol. So does gold. GLD is the symbol. So you can buy it in the morning and sell it in the afternoon. You don't have to take physical possession of silver or gold. But the price of the commodity will go up or down based on the buyers of these ETFs, because you can take physical possession if you ever sell it. So just understand it does trade like a stock. So with that being said, the Reddit Wall Street bet crowd who put a notice out there to squeeze out the short sellers of GameStop last week, which shot the stock to over $400 a share, which it's only not even worth that. But the speculation was that on the same crowd, on the same Reddit forum, they were saying, hey, let's go squeeze out silver traders. There's a big short interest in silver. Let's buy into silver and squeeze out the crowd, the short sellers. You have to understand how short selling works too. Are you familiar with that, Alex?
A little bit, yeah.
Most people know to buy low, sell high. Well, just think the opposite. You're selling high, buying back your shares lower in order to collect that difference. It's the opposite of buying low, selling high. That's all you need to know. Okay, so if you're short, you're thinking the price is going to go down and you're buying back that position to make your money. So if the price goes up, these short sellers, they're buying back their position because they don't want to lose any more money. So it went on this forum, the Wall Street bets crowd, but now they're saying the speculation is, hey, we didn't put that post up. The Reddit Wall Street bets crowd says, we didn't do that. There's not a big short interest in silver, but guess who it could be? It could be Citadel or some other hedge funds that, like Ken Griffin's Citadel, he's the fifth largest owner of SLV, the silver. So who's to say that he didn't go on that forum or somebody in that group go on there and say, hey, let's squeeze out silver? Guess why? Because he owns millions and millions of dollars of it, or the Citadel does. So if they're the ones that did it, now all the Reddit traders say, hey, we didn't do this. Stop buying silver. Because if you buy silver, it's going to only make Citadel, the hedge fund, richer. Yeah, so now they're going against what was on there. But it did bring silver prices up quite dramatically. And so then now everybody, and it's all about social media, right? There's so much access to information now that all these people say, oh, we better go get silver. I've heard it today. I've heard it yesterday. I heard silver is going crazy. Should we be buying silver? And the more people talk about it, whether it's a taxi driver or somebody at work around the water cooler, people are going to be wanting to buy silver, and they're going to be buying silver until they don't. Because guess what? It did hit like $30 an ounce. It's already back down again. So I think that trade's done. We'll see. Whether Citadel, when it hit $30 and Citadel owns, like I said, millions and millions of dollars or the billions of dollars of it, who's to say that when it hit $30, they weren't selling, bring the price back down again. So I think the story is over, but we'll see.
Gotcha. And do you think we're going to see more of this buying and trading of these stocks that just come like, out of left field, like GameStop? Are we going to see, more people moving to different ones and then it's a trend?
Yeah, I think, it's going to be a trend until it's not. And it's like I just said on the silver trade, but the smaller companies, smaller investors out there through the Robinhood trades, and there's 2 million of them. They're gaining momentum. They're getting more and more people because you can buy fractional shares. You can put $20 or $100 on Tesla that's selling for unreal amounts. But yeah, so you're going to see more and more people join the Robinhood crowd, join the Wall Street Bets crowd. So what they're looking is for these companies that have a huge short interest for reasons. People are shorting companies like GameStop because they're doing their research. If you're a short seller or a company that specializes in shorting companies that aren't doing very well, first of all, it alerts financial advisors like me, say, hey, don't buy this company because here's the research on it. So-and-so shorting the company, hoping it goes down, and they're buying back their positions because you can make money when a company falls versus going up. Some people say it's a little more on the gambling side, but no, these guys are doing the research. GameStop, like I said, the price target on that company was maybe $12, but they lost $4.22 per share, which means they're not worth making any money. They closed 783 stores last year. So yeah, these companies were shorting it to the tune of half the shares out there to buy, which is a big short interest. And so they're targeting these guys. Fubo TV, last year was Hertz, and this has been going on for years. It was Hertz last year. Tesla got short squeezed. So you can see the big short interest in companies that you're not thinking that are selling at unreal levels, that you're thinking it's going to go down. So that they're targeting these companies, and it's public information. You can look at the short interest in a lot of these companies, and they're targeting the big short interest.